training our bodies to read our morning message. Jeffrey, would you close the door for us, please? Alex, you can be our planner for today. Thanks, Jeffrey. Just kidding.
Good morning, E-Packs. What do we say? That's right. Today is Wednesday, March 12th, 2014. Celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday to Yvonne A. in 1st grade and to Louise A. in 4th grade. Yvonne and Louise, please come to the office and get your birthday treats. Our fun fact of the day. Did you know that a crocodile cannot stick its tongue out? That's right. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. And remember, we are still collecting money for Pennies for Patients. Also celebrating a birthday today is Vicente in 1st grade. Vicente, have a happy, happy birthday. As always, have a great day at the world's greatest place in the whole wide world. It's better than Disneyland. It's better than Great America. Can everybody say it with me? It's E-Packs. 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 Have a great day. Ha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
Good timing. All right. We wait till all eyes are up. Thanks, Evan, for your eyes. Thanks, Marisol.
March.
100%. March 12, 2014. Dear Fairy Tale authors, today is Library Day. Make sure you have your library books, book bag, and your library card. Today in reading, we will explore text features in our class text. In writing, we will revise another author's work, and in math, finish our How Many Legs worksheet. There are 8 legs on an octopus. How many legs are on 7 octopuses? Your teachers, Miss Mariscal and Mrs. Portman. Scar, so our friend the octopus wants to know how many legs are on 7 octopus. If we know that there's 8 legs on 1, how many legs are there on 7? What I would like you to do is turn to your side-to-side buddy and talk how you would solve this problem. Go.
70.
Well, don't just say the answer. Talk about strategies.
How do you know? 60.
I see no way telling his partner how he would know. There are 8 legs on an octopus. I want to know how many legs are on 7 octopuses. You can see the information, but then you got to talk with your buddy and talk about it. How'd you get 56? All right, scholars, come back together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. tell me their product, the strategy they use to find their product.
My product was 56.
Great use of math vocabulary. I see a lot of science connections.
My strategy was skip counting.
And what did you skip count by?
7.
By your sevens? Let's all skip count with Uriel.
7,
14, 21, 28, 35, 46.
42.
Sorry, 42.
56.
Just 56, because what's the multiplication equation you use to solve your problem, Uriel? 8 times 7 equals 56. So scholars, we counted by our sevens and we counted 8 times. 7 times 8. Who used a different strategy than skip counting? Juan?
I used repeated addition.
You used repeated addition, and what was your product?
56.
And talk me through your repeated addition strategy.
What I did was I added 8. I added 8 7 times, and then
Juan, wait till all friends have their eyes on you.
I added 8 sevens, and then I added 56.
So you're saying you added 8 to itself 7 times? Huh. Okay. I wonder if anyone used the special efficient strategy I talked about yesterday. I see one friend raising a hand. Maybe they'll remember that strategy when we go over it in class. All right, scholars, listen carefully. Great job. When I say go, you're going to grab your whiteboards, pencil, and moving back into your rubber spots. I haven't said go yet. For think, stretch, right. Anyway. And while you're grabbing this materials, you need to say your class pledge. Thanks, Jared, for the scholars. Thanks, John. Go. I believe in myself and my ability to do my best. I am intelligent. Scholars, so I only heard 2 friends saying their class pledge. Let's try that again, and this time I need to hear 100%. Go. I would like you to silently think to yourself, what are the qualities, that means what are the things that make up a good personal narrative? And what are the things that make a good personal narrative? Personal narrative. Jeffrey, Carla, Alex, have you remembered how they title their paper? Scholars, reminding ourselves that make a good personal narrative? What are some things that you should include in your writing that makes a strong personal narrative? Who remembers what a personal narrative is? What you're going to do is turn to your back to front buddy and whisper, what is a personal narrative? Go.
Personal narrative is something about your life, like things that happen to you, like something that happened to you.
All right, scholars, come back together in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what's a personal narrative? Jeffrey has his hand up. He knows. Natalie knows. Marisol knows. What's a personal narrative? Juan, what's a personal narrative?
A personal narrative is when you talk about yourself.
A personal narrative is when you talk about yourself. Yeah. Silent connection if you agree. Was there anyone who had a different definition? Jeffrey?
It tells about your life.
Yeah, it's telling about your life. And scholars, you can shout out for this one. Is it fiction or nonfiction?
Nonfiction!
Remember when we're shouting out and not screaming, it's a normal voice level. Right, it's nonfiction. It's nonfiction because the facts are
Real.
They're real life. So if we're talking about ourselves, that means the things that we're going to include in our story are real. So what are some things that we need to include in our personal narrative to make it a strong narrative story? No way remembers. Dalia knows. Juan knows. What are some things that we should include in this narrative? It's kind of like our fairy tale narrative. The things are almost